Welcome to the game show that absolutely no one asked for. At the beautiful Blue Ridge Tourist Court, a beautiful boutique motel located in Boone, North Carolina. And our guests today are Sewrena. You may recognize her from Instagram, YouTube, and all the other socials being amazing at her job. And Haley Marie Vintage from Seattle and many of my videos. Now, what exactly have you gotten yourself into by watching this video? Well, I am so glad you asked. This is the sewing game show that literally no one asked for. The points don't matter, and this is only one of 2 games that I've ever heard where that happens. The first being the Misbehave show, currently playing on Virgin Voyages. So that's all you really need to know about this, because here we are with round 1. Trivia. For today, we are going to be using the very high-tech spatulas. And the first contestant to raise their spatula gets to answer. Starting off strong with question number 1. When was the first sewing machine invented? You can guess. Haley.
1820.
Oh, so close. Gotta go a little older.
I was gonna say 1860.
Neither are correct. The answer is 1790 by Thomas Saint. He was doing the Lord's work. Next question. Who was the first American manufacturer of the paper pattern? Haley.
Vogue?
Nope.
McCall?
No. The answer is Ebenezer Butterick. Circa 1863. And question number 3. What year did Christian Dior debut the new look? Whoa, that was close.
She was first.
Okay, Haley.
52.
No.
49.
No. 1947.
Shit. That's right.
Next up we have, what is the name of the clothing and textile shopping area in New York City?
Fashion District?
Garment District.
Garment District is what we were going for. All right, this one is going to be hard because there are so many options. What pattern company was bought out circa 1953 to 54?
Oh.
Haley?
Hollywood.
No, that was in the 40s.
Simplicity?
No. Our best guess is that New York Patterns was bought out in 53 and 54. I just know far too much about random New York pattern.
That's why I should have guessed it. And I should have guessed New York.
I'm the only one that wants to learn about that company. Next question. What stamp can be seen on patterns from 1933 through 35 that is now associated with a very different organization? Sewrena.
The authenticity stamp?
No. Any guesses, Haley?
Printed pattern.
No. The NRA stamp.
Ha! Of course.
That was a part of the New Deal package that is now associated with a very different and not at all associated association. What is the name of the dress that typically is free-flowing starting just from the armpit down that is standardly worn with a slip dress from the 1960s? Haley?
Baby doll?
That's the nightgown
Is
nickname.
it the tent dress?
That is correct! And the final question of round number 1 is, what is the name of the brand that is typically associated with wraparound dresses from the 1950s?
Is it McCall?
No.
Why am I obsessed with McCall today?
I guess Simplicity?
No. I'll give you one more round because it's the name of a brand. It has nothing to do with a sewing pattern.
Diane von Furstenberg.
That is 1970s.
God.
Is it the one that, like, what you call it?
It's the one Christina is obsessed with.
I would never know. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Swirl.
Yes! And in round 2, our intrepid contestants will be playing the game Feel That Fabric, where they will be handed a piece of fabric and have to guess what it is. All while keeping their eyes closed. And yes, most of these are vintage, although let's be real, I stopped at an arts creative, so, you know, go with God, some of them might not be.
Oh boy.
And now for the first fabric. Contestants,
Oh, I got it.
feel that fabric.
Wow, I have no idea.
It smells like maple syrup.
Whenever you're ready to guess, just shout it out.
Twill?
Brocade.
Definitely not brocade.
I don't know.
I don't think it's a twill technically, but you're on the right path.
Canvas.
Tweed? No.
No. One more guess each, and then we will open our eyes.
It feels naturally,
It is indeed a natural
Has
fiber.
a clean edge.
but it still frays.
Like selvage.
No, I can feel the fray.
Oh, then I'm on the clean selvage end. Oh.
All right, last guesses, contestants.
Nope, I have no last guess.
Linen?
No, open your eyes. It is a basket weave cotton from the 1970s.
Oh, this is really pretty.
Can we fight you for it?
All right, and round number 2. Oh, this is going to be harder because this is smaller than I thought it was. Oops. Here we go. And feel that fabric.
Oh.
Ooh, this feels like
don't
there's
like it.
polyester in it.
Oh no, I've touched... Is this tapestry?
Yes, it is a brocade tapestry.
Look at me.
I was about to say bark cloth or something. I knew I felt the polyester in there.
Oh, yeah.
The 25%.
And fabric number 3.
I don't know why I expect you to hit me with it.
Feel that fabric. Guess whenever you're ready.
It doesn't really have
It's a knit.
stress. Yeah.
It is a knit.
Oh, it stretches on the bias.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about knit.
Is it? No, it's not a double knit because it would stretch both
No,
ways.
it would. It's only stretching on the bias as far as I know.
Oh, I think it's stretching horizontally.
No, it is.
Okay.
I was just holding it weird.
You're getting close with the knit, but we need the next descriptor.
It's not jersey. It's
Interlock? Is that a thing?
No.
ITY?
not swimsuit.
Nope.
It's not scuba.
Oh, no, definitely not scuba.
It's just I'm going through the knits I know.
I said all the knits I know. That's it.
T-shirt?
That's a good one.
That is indeed what it is. You may open your eyes and look at the fabric. It is a knit rainbow t-shirt fabric.
Oh my god. I love this.
Oh, so do I.
I can make a turtleneck.
Close your eyes, there's more fabric to come. Ready? And feel that fabric.
It's printed.
Can you feel that?
I think so. Watch it be solid. Is this just a quilting cotton?
It is not a quilting cotton.
Is it just shirting?
This is the part where Stephanie goes, yeah, I think it actually might be. We have 2 more.
Yay.
Yay.
I lied, we have 3 more.
I love it.
Okay,
Gimme.
this will probably be quick. And contestants, feel that fabric.
Oh, yep. This will
Minky?
be quick. It's velvet.
No, it has little, like, pokey pokes on it. Is it like a minky fabric? Why does it have little boobs on it?
It is not actually minky.
Not velvet? Crushed velvet?
No.
Crushed velvet's the devil.
It has nipples.
It's not faux fur.
It's not?
It's like a shaved cat.
Haley has unintentionally gotten the correct answer. Open your eyes. It's a faux fur that has a directionality to the fur that creates the waves.
Were you not feeling those bumps that I'm feeling?
No, I was feeling it. I just didn't feel like it felt like a nipple.
Excellent work, Haley. And contestants, feel that fabric.
Oh, that's not.
Is it chiffon?
Oh, my goodness. That was fast. Yes, that is correct. That is indeed a poly chiffon. You can open your eyes. Haley's says it all. And we have one final fabric. And no, I am not going to ask for any obscure terms. I'm going for the most general term that you can think of for this fabric. Feel that fabric.
Ooh. Is this the one that I was gonna hate?
No, I expected you to hate the chiffon.
This is disgusting.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
This is icky.
I love the texture.
2 very different opinions of this fabric.
Is it a burnout?
It is not a burnout.
Is it flocked?
No, it is not.
Is it gross carpet?
No, I wouldn't give you gross carpet. That just feels rude.
I want to know what these things are.
I do too.
I will give you a hint. We saw an entire blanket of it today.
Oh,
Chenille.
yeah.
There it is, and we have it, friends. We have a chenille.
This is disgusting.
And for our final round, friends, we are going to be playing the final Stitch and Bitch round of Name That Pattern Brand, where I have removed all details surrounding except for one of the drawings from pattern covers, and the ladies will have to be guessing which pattern company it was. And image number 1 is... It's a tie.
It's Hollywood.
I think it's New York.
And Sewrena has it. That is indeed a New York pattern. The next image. What's your guess? Oh, Sewrena.
Is it McCall's?
No.
Simplicity?
No. That is 1920s Superior brand by Sears and Roebuck.
Well, I would have never.
That's why I don't know. I think 20s is trash.
And the next image. Oh, Sewrena.
Is that a Simplicity?
No.
McCall's.
No.
What?
That is Vogue.
Of course.
That is Vogue from 1958. And the next one. Here we go. Haley.
McCall's.
Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. McCall's from 1937. All right, and next image. Sewrena.
Vogue.
No.
Oh shit.
Simplicity.
Yes. That is the Simplicity from the 1960s. And here we go.
Something from before it.
Haley.
Hollywood.
No.
What?
McCall's?
No. That is Butterick.
I never think about them.
I don't either. Clearly from earlier.
All right, and oh, damn it, the stupid sun. The next image. Haley.
Simplicity.
No.
It's McCall's.
No. That is Advance Pattern Company.
I love it.
And I love Advance.
All right, and next image.
Oh no.
She's giving.
I literally
She's
know
giving.
this.
Do you have these patterns? I want it.
Some of them I do.
I'm not shopping. Giving Vogue?
She does. She has a lot of attitude. I agree.
But it's her angle, her face, and her.
She has more angles in her body, but I don't.
I love how they're working together. The games where the points don't matter. Take a guess, contestants.
I want to say it's McCall's or Vogue.
Neither.
Is it Simplicity?
It is not Simplicity. It is Advance.
I should have known.
All right, and the next image.
Girl.
This
Why?
is a challenge. This is a hard one. Sewrena.
Is this a superior pattern?
No.
Prominence?
No. I will give you both a second round because it is an English pattern brand.
Oh, I don't know.
No idea.
Any guesses?
All the one I know are like Mode Royale,
Is that English?
but they don't do cute stuff.
I disagree. Look at her face. She looks like a blow-up doll.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Their outfit is giving 80s as 40s.
It does. And her hair is really bad.
all right, contestants. One last guess.
I don't buy patterns from over.
No?
I don't either. I don't want to deal with centimeters.
The answer is 1940s Best Way pattern.
The first time I heard about
I've
them.
never heard about that.
The final two images. And the next image is... Haley.
Modes Royale.
That is correct. One final image before the epic final question.
McCall's.
Oh, and we have a winner. That is correct. That is 1970s McCall sample pattern. And now for the final question to break the tie for the points that don't matter. What is the correct type of garment for the walkaway dress?
It's an apron.
Ding, ding, ding! We have a winner! And Sewrena takes it home with the answer of yes, it is a glorified apron. And so I would like to thank my contestants today. Do make sure that you check out both of their YouTube channels. They both make excellent long-form content. No, not like this. They actually make much more informative sewing videos than I do. And until next time, friends, I hope that you are sewing in chaos. And if you want to see me do this again, you gotta tag people down below so I know who to contact. Bye. And in round two, our intrepid, contestants, that's the word. I had to give you some challenges.
We were plenty challenged.
For real.
Because they both make excellent long-form